Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to show you some older content of how I turned this awesome virgin head of hair into this amazing head of hair. Hey everybody, welcome to Hair Tunes, raw, real, and diverse hair education, tips, and tricks. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Hey there, guys and gals, and thanks so much for joining me on my channel. So this is some old stuff, but it's good stuff. And so here I am lifting Ashley Ann. Ashley Ann is still a client today. This is when I used to be across the street in what I call the little hole. There was no windows. It was just dark and yeah, but it was a space and it was a good space and I was with her for a long time and everything's good. But now I'm across the street from where I was. So I'm going in with Magnum 8. Don't ask me why I know this, but I do. Magnum 8 and Olaplex, because I know I always have my Olaplex. And I'm going 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 an inch from the scalp in areas. And I'm placing cotton in between just to kind of like keep it separated. Because I'm going to have to go and like lift all this and stuff and then like get back in there. And I just feel like it's torture. And she's like a level 7, so I don't feel like I need to do like a didn't feel like I needed to do a platinum card. And I really don't feel like back in these days we were really doing platinum cards. This was like I said, like 5, 6 years ago, I think, like 2016, 2017. So Ashley Ann's a good client of mine, and actually her hair won me some awards because it's so pretty. So yeah, so here I'm just checking to see that I got all the spaces, just laying that cotton underneath there and making sure it's just not going to become friends with the other guy. So here you can see I'm kind of muscling it, getting it pulled apart, and I'm going in and hitting it on the roots. So just going in there, applying another formula. Of course, I always mix, guys, when it comes to reapplying to the base. So now we're instantly processed, rinsed. Now I will do my Olaplex number 2. Here is my blank canvas. So I will rinse. I will stop oxidation with Malibu CD Oxide. This time they only had crystal gel. And then I will apply my Olaplex number 2 treatment. And then I will come in and then do my Vivid Color Melt of what I'm going to do. So here I am using magenta. Again, don't ask me how I remember all this stuff, guys, from Pravana. Their magenta is fierce. It is almost like a weird, like, you know how like fish has that skin on it? It almost has that kind of like iridescent kind of glow to it. It's really different. And then the purple is Matrix Socult, and the blue is um, Matrix Socult as well, the royal blue that was out at this time. So I had Pravana going into Matrix Royal Purple into, I think, Retro Blue on the Matrix Socult. And yeah, I like to break the rules. And I always put Olaplex number 1 in all of my direct dyes for full strength look. Okay, if I want to dilute, I would use like number 2. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to apply that, and I'm going to work up the head in sections, and I am going to work the colors into each other, and I'm going to work them back and forth because it rolls the hair and it's going to open the hair as well. As you can see, I flip on the back of my hand and paint back and forth, and I do stagger the colors one up. So like underneath, the blue may be lower, and then the next section, the blue may be higher, and then the next section, the blue may be lower, and I mush them between my 2 fingers and blend them together. Sometimes I might run the comb through, but I don't think I was combing at this point. I change my techniques all the time, guys. I'm like, this is so probably different than, well, maybe not so much different the way I would do it now. I do a lot of color melting. It's just one of my looks that I do a lot. I do a lot of different color melting techniques when I do my vivids, kind of like what I like to do. And when you see it, you know that I did it because it's what I do. A lot of people say this is also the bi flag. So Ashley Ann is married to a man. So if anybody needs to know, but if you want it to represent that, that's cool too. We're open. We don't care. We represent all. But these are just the colors that she picked. The fuchsia into the purple into the blue. So I know it kind of gets repetitive, guys. But yeah, we're just working those colors into each other. Again, using the back of my hand. Just going in here on the side of the head, and we're going to do it kind of like on a diagonal back, just to kind of like get that shadowy root going on the top of the head. You kind of want that dippy kind of dew thing going on in the top of the head to represent shadow and depth. I don't know. That's just the look right now. And it was the look back then too. It hasn't changed much since 2017. So I'm going to be coming back from there, guys. I'm going to be bringing back all of my hottest hairs from back all the way from 2017 to today as much as I can, guys. And if you find value in my content, please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the ding dong and share with your friends and all that good stuff. My link is in the bio, and I'm located in Schaumburg, Illinois, right outside of Chicago, in case anybody was wondering. So what do you guys think? Do you think you guys would wear your hair in these fun fashion colors? Why don't you guys leave me a comment down in the comments below and let me know what you think about somebody that wears unicorn hair. But of course, we could be respectful about it, right, guys? So we're just going to go ahead now and work the other side on a diagonal back, blending those two colors together. Same thing, guys. It's a color melt. So back then, I didn't really record final endings of videos. So guys, I only have like a picture, like, and not even a lot of pictures. Like my picture game wasn't even that good back then. So, but you guys get the gist. It is one beautiful picture. So I hope you enjoy it. And like I said, if you enjoy my content, please like and subscribe. So guys, we're finally coming up to the ending here. Just kind of working all that through. And thanks for hanging in there. You guys are champs, man. All right, here it is. This is the final color melt result. It is absolutely so beautiful. Again, if you guys find value in my content, please like and subscribe.